So here we are talking about the net shift produced by multiple slabs which are placed one after the other. So if you say, for example, this is a case when we had two slabs which are kept one after the other. What if we had more than two? For example, this is a slab of refractive index mu1 and thickness t1, and similarly we have another slab of refractive index mu2 and thickness t2, and then so on. We have multiple such slabs which are placed one after the other. Now the net shift is going to be S is equal to shift due to the first slab which is S1, and shift due to the second slab which is S2, and shift due to the third slab, and so on. So the net shift produced by all of these slabs is given by T1 into 1 minus 1 by mu1 plus T2 into 1 minus 1 by mu2 plus T3 into 1 minus 1 by mu3 plus and so on. So this is how we find the net shift produced by multiple slabs which are placed one after the other.